Hey guys, so it's Jin here, and today I'm just making a video of me studying. So yeah. So recently, just a quick life update. School has started, so me and YouTube ain't gonna be doing too well since I would not be uploading as much because of school. What's this? And so recently I also got a smartwatch because I find I needed a watch anyway, so I was like, hey, why not get a smartwatch that I can make calls and message people and stuff and could listen to music and stuff. Ain't that cool? But then again, I could only afford the Wi-Fi Bluetooth version, not the 4G version, which means unfortunately even though it's a great idea, I still have to have my phone with me. So I don't know. But yeah. Also, for some reason why, so this is like my little stash. For some reason why on a couple days ago, I've just randomly decided that I wanted to make a dress. Which I was like, hey, let's try patterns. So these are patterns and I was like, hey, if I got a pattern, it won't be that hard, right? Right? But I literally decided to start on a leveled advanced dress. I don't know how to make it. I just kind of just gave up, and so I just kind of wasted money to buy fabrics and stuff. Okay, now back to me. So I was thinking for this video, I want to show you guys how I study. And this is usually not how I usually study, but I was like, hey, let me show you what I plan to study because I'm bored. So this is my setup for studying. Usually it's just, well, before I like to use my desktop up here to watch the lectures and stuff and then do all my notes by paper. But this year I decided to kind of do something much more, I guess, paper friendly. So I recently bought this iPad and it's just a 6th gen because that's the only iPad that supports the Apple Pencil, and it wasn't too bad. For the laptop I uses the Microsoft Surface Book 2. It is 512 gigabyte with 16 gig of RAM, etc, nothing too special.
Genetic tests like this will be
Laptop, I don't really use it for note taking, but it is a software called OneNote where you can take notes. I usually just use the laptop for lectures and assignments, and for OneNote I just usually just draw on it. Nothing really too I guess fancy, just drawing because I just like the pencils and stuff. So yeah. Oh my god, my room is messy. Back up. So that's kind of what it really is for me to study. I just literally use my laptop and my iPad. I don't really like to type anymore just because I do realize that I do remember more when I'm actually writing the notes down than typing it. So I just found a great way with my iPad using GoodNote. And that's pretty much it. It's not that exciting. I know other people's videos are so much more exciting and they're like so aesthetic as hell, but really it's literally just studying and notes. You really can't really do much with it. You just write or type however you want to, and that's literally how I do it. I generally, with myself, I don't have that paper-like thing for my laptop just because I just feel like it's just not really worth my money, and I know that it will, I guess, sand off the tip of my pencil, which means I still have to spend more money to buy like the little tips. I know it's not that much, but it's like at this stage I'm a little bit more in a saving mode just because I've been buying way too much tech. So yeah. Also, just another little quick update. So since uni has started, I decided that I wanted to try join a club, and that failed. So that's the end of it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you like it.